mga taga Mabalacat or Magalang,
yes,
or you know, Angeles area, you can actually kung gusto mo naman ma-experience yung unlimited wagyu, unlimited seafood, plus unlimited meat, and this one Nanobabaw ka Balen, welcome to We're in Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng unlimited samgyupsal as low as 229 pesos or upgrade it into unlimited wagyu, baby back ribs, chicken wings, and
seafood.
Yes.
Guys, this is Chopstick Kingdom. If you wanna know more about this, lahat ng mga sinerve po nila, and syempre papakita natin pagluluto. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Habang inaayos po nila yung table natin, pag-usapan natin saan ba located itong Chopstick Kingdom. Ayan, so this is the place. Located po ito sa may barangay Bundagul, Mabalacat, Pampanga. And if you recognize kung ano po yung nasa likod ko, ayan, so that is the Tipco. Ayan, ito po yung Tipco company, and then here is the building. Ayun. Alright, so balikan natin sila. Gutom na ako.
Siyempre, since unlimited ang wagyu dito, ito yung una natin luluto.
Imagine guys, so as low as 229 pesos, pwede ka na mag-unlimited dito. However, kung gusto mo naman ma-experience yung unlimited wagyu, unlimited seafood, plus unlimited meat, and this one, and guys, so for only 649 pesos, para sa akin guys, that is sobrang sulit nun guys. Samgyupsal King. Yeah. Ayan, siyempre pag Samgyupsal guys, maaasahan natin si Mark. Grill Master. Ano yung pinaka-excited ka dito?
Ako? Hulaan mo.
Wagyu.
Siyempre.
Ang ribs kapag kinakamay.
Sarap. Unlimited wagyu. Ito yung menu nila guys. So sabi namin sa inyo, starting at 229 pesos, you can enjoy na yung kanilang unlimited samgyupsal. What else is included, ma'am?
Pork, unlimited pork juice, unlimited sisig, cheese, rice, iced tea, soup, and side dishes.
Okay.
At meron pa silang
other
5
options,
more
no?
options.
Yes.
For ito, yung pinaka-premium, yung 649, limited Wagyu cubes. Yes. With syempre unlimited pork juice, pork belly, beef, kompleto na, talo na yun, and pork wings, ito pa, pork ribs, shrimp, scallops, squid, so seafood.
Yes.
And yung mga side dishes, iced tea, rice, cheese, and soup.
Yan guys, sa tingin ko naman, mostly sa mga pupunta dito, sa mga katabi natin, no? Ayan, unlimited naman yung kanilang wings.
Yes, actually ito daw yung pinakamabili.
Yan nga.
Ito. This
299 pesos.
And this one.
So, go for it guys. We're gonna be including the menu sa mga post po namin. So, go check them out. Disclaimer and ano po, just to let you know, so ito pong lugar natin, ano siya, al fresco dining. It's an open area, so you will be experiencing, you know, the sounds of the road, you know, and then syempre pag mainit sa labas, syempre medyo mainit din dito, and kapag malamig naman, syempre you're gonna enjoy yung ano naman, open door or open air dining. guys, another place for you to check out. Mark, ano ba yung nagustuhan mo dito?
Yes, ako, first of all, nagustuhan ko yung Wagyu nila.
Yes.
And pangalawa, yung baby back ribs.
Wow, I think pareho tayong nagustuhan doon, no?
Yes.
So, at least yun naman po yung upgraded package na orderin nyo dito. But as low as 229 pesos, you can enjoy na yung unlimited samgyupsal nila.
Yes, kung naghahanap kayo ng budget meal na samgyupsal,
Yes,
you could visit itong Chopstick Kingdom, located lang dito sa may Mabalacat, Magalang Road, Barangay Bundagul, Mabalacat City, and they're open from 11 AM to 11 PM Monday to Sunday.
Yun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, make sure to check this out. Thank you for watching Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out!
Bye guys!